Hello friends, today in this video I will show you data pop-up not showing in Windows 10 fix. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. First you need to click on start bar. Now type taskbar. Now click on taskbar. Now you need to find Explorer. You see this Windows Explorer. Right click on it. Now click on restart. After restart, close it. Then your problem will be fixed. That's not fixed. So one more method. Now click on search bar. Now type intl.cpl. Now click on this inti.cpl control panel idioms. Click on it. Now you need to click on additional setting. Now you see this restart, click on it. Now you see this restart, click on it. Now click on OK and apply. So your problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.